G'day all. I have been very eagerly awaiting the delivery of this engine. I'm 100% sure I know what it is. It's nice and heavy. It weighs nearly 3 kilos. And look how well this is boxed. So let's slip this out of there. So, has anyone guessed yet what it could be? Look at the packaging on this. EngineDiyShop. Ordered this about 5 days ago, and it's come very quickly. So let's open it up. Beautiful Christmas packaging. Absolutely make a fantastic gift to somebody. Look at that. Look at that box. Get rid of that packaging. Okay, let's have a look what we've got in here. And yes, it's the Retrol SE-03, a DIY steam engine model kit. We'll have a look in here. Oh wow, I'm an absolute sucker for uprights. As soon as I saw this, I knew I had to have one. And there we are. Look at that. Is that just absolutely superb? Alright, I'll move in for a better look inside into my steam room. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this upright.